All right, so here we are. We're looking at the unit. It's a Kelsey Hayes. It's a module that's on top. It actually controls the pump motor that's underneath. It's very common that what happens due to vibration, that the well, it's actually the solders break loose and then get cracks and cause problems, and it's due to age and so forth. So we're going to replace this unit right here. We're going to start off using the torque wrench to remove these torques, and then there's plugs, but I will show you how we go about that. All right, so basically we're going to start with removing these torques, which they are T20s, and there are 4 of them. So let's do that right now.
Want me to take over, Charlie?
Hold this.
Hold this?
Yeah. Okay. We also sprayed it with WD-40 to help loosen it up, which is always a very good idea. So there's one out. This one's a little tricky. It's right in the corner, but still accessible. Very tight though. But it's coming. All right, so all 4 torques are out. We start lifting, lift it upward, and now we gotta undo the clips. All right, so first clip I'm gonna undo is this one right here. You take your finger underneath and pull. And I have to use a screwdriver on this one. And we use a screwdriver. Just to pry the clip a little bit. Yeah, that's one. Okay, now we have another one. We're gonna do this one here. Same thing. Pry. Pull and pull. See, there's clip, pull. All right, now we're down to the last one. This one. Of course, this one is very tricky. All right, you know what to do, right? Let me see like this. Let me see. There we go. All right, so we had to pry the safety clip, and now we're gonna have to push. There we go. Boom.
Here we go.
All right. The tricky part.
Now, everything we just do, undone, we're going to redo.
Yep. All right, so we push this in. I'm gonna lock it.
Set the safety. Click.
Click.
Come on.
Okay, now we're gonna use this one here. Click it in the back. Click.
And 2.
And I'm gonna click this one here.
And 3.
Okay.
Now we'll just realign everything back up. There we go. Seems like we have it almost set.
Almost. Let's gotta find the right spot. There we go. All right. We're in position. All plugs are in.
John, should we put a little lubricant on the threads of the Torx? This way, if they'll come out a little easier if we have to do this next time, or
Yeah, we can.
okay, that'll do it.
Okay. Just gonna start them and we'll finish them up. So this one I'm going to start to tighten, and then I'll go crossed. And just make it hand tight, you know, decently tight, but not too tight. Same thing here. Same. All right, that's it.
Now we put the fuse back.
Yeah, take the fuse off the car.
Leave this one.
Right here?
Yes.
Oh. Like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now we always check that with that.
ABS.
ABS, right?
ABS.
60 amp fuse.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
All right.
The fuse is put back in, and we don't hear that grinding sound from the part, which means the electric motor is not drawing power from the battery with the ignition off. So I would say our problem is solved. The only thing we have to do now is clear the code on the computer.
Yep.
Or will that will clear itself with a
No.
few 100 miles of driving?
No, we got to clear it.
Okay.